Hello, my name's Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 25-14N. This is your screw-in mounting stud for your 10K and 12K disc brake rotors. Let's check it out. Okay, so part number 25-14N. This is your screw-in mounting stud with the nut for your 10K and 12K disc brake rotors. Pretty much what it does is it connects the hub and the rotor together. So you definitely need these if you have disc brakes, if you're converting over, or if you're swapping out, replacing parts. We sell these in a set of 8 because it takes 8 to do one hub. So we sell them in 8 sets of 8s with the nuts. So if you're doing one axle, you would need 2 sets of these, so 16 total. And we'll measure this out real quick for you. So it's 1/2 inch by 13 on the threads and 1/2 inch by 20, and the nut's 1/2 inch by 20. So you're going to put the longer side inside the hub, and then the shorter side's going to come out the rotor, and then this bolt's going to go in, this nut's going to go over it like that. But the overall length is going to be 2.66 inches, or like 2 5/8 about. And I'll show you how to install these real quick. So you got your hub right here, and these are the studs that I'm referring to right now. All these studs screw into the hub just like this. So you would just screw this into here, and you got your hub. So you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to attach your rotor onto it. So we got the rotor right here. Got your rotor, and you're just going to attach it on like so. Line up the holes, and boom. So once you got your rotor on there, you're going to put these nuts in right here, and just go all the way around with the nuts and tighten them down like so. Just go all the way around, and then the final result, you'll have your hub and rotor connected just like it should be, ready to go. And the part number for the set of 8s, it's 8x25-14N. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.